The iQoo 11 5G, which is claimed to be the world's fastest Android smartphone, has launched in India. It also happens to be the first Android flagship phone with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC in the country. Positioned as a successor to the iQoo 90 in India, the iQoo 11 5G gets many upgrades in the display, performance and camera departments. Before we talk more about the device, let's just quickly unbox the phone. First up, you get the phone itself covered with a plastic sheet. iQoo sent us the Legend color option, which has the signature BMW Motorsport racing stripe. The box also includes a card highlighting the company's collaboration with BMW for the iQoo 11 series. Next up, there's the SIM ejector tool, a TPU case and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack adapter. There is also a USB Type-C cable and a 120W fast charger in the box. The company claims that the charger can refill the iQoo 11 5G's 5000 mAh battery from 0 to 50% in about 8 minutes. The Legend variant of the iQoo 11 5G uses a faux leather material. The back is textured and looks quite modern while offering a good in-hand feel. Despite weighing 205 grams, the iQoo 11 5G does not feel as heavy as the rear panel is curved and feels quite planted when holding it. The phone is quite tall and has a 6.78-inch E6 AMOLED display. It offers a 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness. Unlike some of the recent mid-range and flagship smartphones that tend to have a curved edge display, the iQoo 11 5G offers a flat display. iQoo tells us that the flat screen, along with other display features, are ideal for its target user base, which includes gamers who want an all-rounder flagship. The display also has a hole punch cutout at the top and a layer of Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus for added protection against accidental drops and scratches. Adding to the premium feel is the metal frame, which houses the USB Type-C port, the primary speaker grille and the dual SIM tray at the bottom. The right side has the power and volume buttons. At the top of the phone is a microphone cutout. The iQoo 11 5G's headlining feature is its performance unit or SoC. The phone packs a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, which is Qualcomm's brand new flagship SoC. The 11 5G also gets up to 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256GB of UFS 4 internal storage. The phone also runs on the Android 13 based FunTouch OS 13. It features a vapor chamber cooling system under the hood to keep thermals in check. Complementing the performance unit is a V2 custom developed chip from Vivo, which unlocks features such as frame interpolation in games to achieve higher and smoother frame rate up to 144 FPS, even if the game does not officially support it. The custom chip is also said to help improve the quality of 4K video recording in low light. The iQoo 11 5G has a triple camera setup on the back. It features a 50MP Samsung GN5 primary camera with OIS, an 8MP ultra-wide camera and a 13MP portrait camera with 2x optical zoom. You also get a 16MP front camera for selfies. For camera samples and the overall performance details, stay tuned for the full review, which will be up very soon on Gadgets 360.